How to change Waze voice. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on the Waze app. So if you are looking for a fresh change, a voice that keeps you more alert, or just something fun, Waze offers plenty of options to personalize your navigation experience. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Waze app on your device and you'll be taken to the home screen. From there, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and this will open up the menu section. In the menu, select Settings, and this will open the settings screen. And from here, you can simply tap on Voice and Sound, and in this section, you will see a list of options related to voice and audio. And under the voice direction section, simply tap Waze Voice and a new screen will appear displaying a list of available voice options. Now browse through the list of voices which include a range of language and unique options. And when you find the one that you like to try, simply tap on it to select it and the voice will be set immediately and you can hear it in action the next time you use Waze for navigation. And remember, Waze doesn't offer voice previews, so the best way to test a voice is by using it while driving. And that's all there is to it. Now you have customized your Waze navigation voice. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.